Are you a commercial property owner struggling to create functional, profitable spaces that truly work for your business? Your commercial space is more than just four walls, it's the foundation of your success. But designing an interior that maximizes both functionality and profitability while staying within budget can feel overwhelming. You need spaces that impress clients, boost employee productivity, and reflect your brand identity perfectly. That's where professional commercial interior design comes in. We transform ordinary business spaces into extraordinary environments that drive results. Our expert designers understand the unique challenges of commercial properties, from optimizing traffic flow and maximizing square footage to ensuring compliance with safety regulations and accessibility standards. We work closely with you to create customized solutions that align with your business goals and budget. Whether you're designing a modern office, retail store, restaurant, or healthcare facility, we bring creative vision and practical expertise to every project. Our comprehensive approach covers everything from space planning and color schemes to lighting design and furniture selection. Schedule your free consultation today and discover how the right interior design can transform your commercial space into a profit-generating asset. To know more details, visit our website, link in description. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.